Welcome to YJ Digital World YouTube channel. Joseph here. On today's tutorial, I'll be putting you through on how to save an image for web usage. For way to do that, we have to be working with Photoshop. First of all, I have to open the Photoshop application, then open the image file that I want to save for web. After opening the image file I want to save for web, all I have to do is to move to File on my menu, Export, and slide over to Export As. While the export panel is still loading, we have to wait for a little while. Now, on our Export As panel, you notice that the image has opened. Now, I want to change the file setting. All I have to do is to move to File, Format here, change the format of the image to any of these, either JPEG, PNG, GIF. I have to save mine on JPEG. Then if I want, I can reduce the image quality to a lesser quality. If you please take note that currently the image size is 10.1 megabyte. So if I reduce the image quality, the size of the image file reduces. If you look closely now, you'll notice that the size of the image has reduced to 1.4 MB. That is in terms of that. For you to reduce the size for web use, it is important for you to reduce the size of the image so that it will be able to load fast on the web without consuming much data. Then apart from that, we have to move to the image size panel where you increase or reduce the width and height of your image. Please take note that normally the image panel is always on pixels. So if you reduce the size of your width, for example, here, you notice what happens to that of your height. That of your height also reduces. They work hand in hand. They work hand in hand. Please take note, for you to resize your image, you should be able to know the size at which you want the image to be on. So please take note. Then for that, we'll have to move over to the color space. Make sure that the convert to sRGB is checked already. Make sure that it's checked. After that, you click on Export All, and it takes you to the export panel where you select the location where you want to save the image on, give it a name, and click on Save. Okay, let's locate the image folder, and here where we have it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, do well to leave a like on this video, drop your comment in the comment section, and do subscribe to my channel so that you get notification whenever I upload new content on my channel. Thank you guys.